Hi everyone, it's December 11th, 2008, and we're right outside our apartment complex here on Lake Street in Ithaca. And this is pretty amazing. There's a snowstorm that came in today. It's gonna get worse tonight, possibly some ice storms, whatever that means. Something bad, I'm sure. And it's a storm that came through Pennsylvania and is wiping out us and then New England. But we wanted to show you all the snow. Woo!
So snowy.
Whee!
Oh god, it's cold! Oh god! Oh god, it's cold! Oh god!
Will, give a thumbs up because that was excellent spontaneity. And this is our little neon over here. Oh god. As you can see, we had to park down the hill from our apartment because it couldn't make it up the hill. It had no traction. Ma, you know what it means to have a California plated Dodge Neon in like half a foot of snow. Tears. Tears. But I just met Will. He was coming home from school. It's like 10 o'clock at night. And that's our complex up there. Can't really tell, but yeah, and then just that way is the Ithaca Falls. But it's snowy. It's very snowy, and it's very pretty, and it totally sucks because I don't know how I'm going to get to work tomorrow, and I'm illegally parked in a school parking lot right now. But hey, look, there's a family over there. And they're having a good time building a snowman and playing with their dog. It can't all be bad. Huh, Will?
Bad.
Well, I'll take it from Will. It can't all be bad. Maybe it's okay. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Hello from Ithaca. Peace.